What were you talking about? With your little foot. What are you talking about, Mr. Wildhair? Yeah. Hi. You have a lot to say tonight. We just got back from the park, and Brady played and made friends. Of course. Yeah, your brother always makes friends, doesn't he? And you took a little snooze in your stroller. Yeah. Look at your body. Look at those legs. Look at those legs. We're getting some chub. Yes, we love it. Yeah, you look like such a big boy now. You do. And you're even fitting in your 6-month outfits. Yeah, because you're such a big, healthy boy. Can you tell me something? You're just kicking. What are you looking at? Your brother's yelling. He's yelling. Oh, that's